स्वागत है आप सभी का बलास्ट कोचिंग क्लासेस में। बलास्ट कोचिंग क्लासेस की तरफ से 2023 वाले सेशन के लिए प्रश्न बैंक की एक सीरीज दी जा रही है। इस सीरीज में हम लोग देख रहे हैं इंग्लिश, और ये 12th क्लास का इंग्लिश है। इसका हमने पार्ट 1 कंप्लीट कर लिया है। अब हम लोग देख रहे हैं पार्ट 2। पार्ट फर्स्ट में हम लोगों ने ग्रामर कवर किया था, तो अभी तक अगर आपने नहीं देखा है तो उसको देख लेना। हमारा 80 मार्क्स का टोटल पेपर होने वाला है, जिसमें से अभी हम लोगों ने पार्ट फर्स्ट में सेक्शन सी के 10 मार्क्स के ये दोनों डू एज डायरेक्ट और सेंटेंस करेक्शन फिलअप ये दोनों 10 मार्क्स कंप्लीट कर लिए। अभी इस पार्ट में जो हम लोग हैं उसमें हम लोग ये लॉन्ग टाइप के ये वाला कंटेंट कवर करेंगे। 2 पार्ट जनरेट करेंगे हम लोग, जिन दोनों में से मिलाकर के 20 मार्क्स ये और 12 मार्क्स ये, तो ये टोटल हमारे कितना 32 मार्क्स का कंटेंट हो जाएगा। तो इसका जो ये आपको मैं दे रहा हूं अभी एक पीडीएफ आपको मिलेगी बलास्ट कोचिंग क्लासेस की ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पर। उसके लिए आपको करना क्या है, गूगल के ऊपर जाकर के बलास्ट कोचिंग क्लासेस सर्च करनी है। जो पहला लिंक ओपन होगा उसको आप ओपन कर लेना। इसमें 9th क्लास, 10th क्लास, 11th क्लास और 12th क्लास सारे सब्जेक्ट वाइज मिल जाएंगे। 12th क्लास का पहला ही सब्जेक्ट है आपका इंग्लिश। इसको ओपन करते से ही आपको स्टडी मटेरियल में जाना है, और वहां पे आपको ये सारी पीडीएफ, वीडियो और आईएमपी क्वेश्चन ये सब कुछ मिल जाएगा। ठीक है, अगर आप यहां से नहीं तो हमारे टेलीग्राम से भी ले सकते हो। टेलीग्राम की लिंक मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा, तो वहां से आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हो। आपको ये हमारा बलास्ट कोचिंग क्लासेस का ऑफिशियल यूट्यूब चैनल है, जिसके ऊपर 11.6 के सब्सक्राइबर हैं। अगर अभी तक आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कर लेना। प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर के आपको इसके 12th क्वेश्चन बैंक सॉल्यूशन 2023 और 12th परीक्षा बोर्ड और 12th आईएमपी क्वेश्चन, ये तीनों हमने सीरीज दे करके रखी है। इन तीनों सीरीजों को आपको आपके सब्जेक्ट के हिसाब से देख लेना है। अब हम लोग चलते हैं हमारे मेन कंटेंट की तरफ। तो ग्रामर पोर्शन हमारा कवर हो गया है। अब हम जा रहे हैं सीधे डी सेक्शन पे, जिसमें हमारी टेक्स्ट बुक आती है। तो डी सेक्शन के क्वेश्चन आंसर इस वीडियो में हम आपको बताएंगे। तो क्वेश्चन आंसर पे चलते हैं। हाँ, ये है क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है हमारा, या फर्स्ट जो हमारा कंटेंट है वो फ्लेमिंगो से होगा। तो फ्लेमिंगो, हाँ, तो पहला हमारा शॉर्ट टाइप का आंसर है जो कि हमारा फ्लेमिंगो से है, और फर्स्ट चैप्टर है हमारा द लास्ट लेसन। तो इसी से हम लोग शुरुआत करते हैं। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट वाज फ्रेंच एक्सपेक्टेड टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड विथ फॉर द स्कूल फर्स्ट डे। मतलब स्कूल के पहले दिन में जो फ्रेंच है वो क्या एक्सपेक्टेड कर रहा था और क्या प्रिपरेशन करके गया था। तो दैट डे फ्रेंच वाज एक्सपेक्टेड टू बी द प्रिपेयर्ड विद द लेसन ऑफ पार्टनरशिप। तो उसने किसके ऊपर प्रिपेयर किया था, पार्टनरशिप के ऊपर। उसके बाद में सेकंड है हमारा, What did French notice that was unusual about the school that day? यानी जो लास्ट डे था उसका, उसमें उसने क्या अनयूजुअल नोटिस किया स्कूल में। तो इसका आंसर होगा, फ्रेंच नोटिस मैनी अनयूजुअल थिंग एट अ स्कूल दैट डे। इट वाज ऑल्सो स्टिल calm and quiet like Sunday morning, while on other day there used to be a great hustle and the bustle. The school looked so strange and the solemn. It was the quite unusual and surprising. उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट हमारा तीसरा, तो थर्ड है हमारा, what had been put up on the bulletin board। तो इसका आंसर है, the bulletin board display an order from the Berlin to the teach only the German in the school of the Alaska and the Lawrence in the stead of the French. The teaching of the French bed of the discontinues in these to the district of France. उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट है चौथा, तो what change did the order from the Berlin cause on the school that day। तो इसका आंसर हमारा क्या आएगा, that day the order from the Berlin caused a lot of change in the school. There was the pin drop silence in the school. The teacher M. Hamel become polite and the sympathetic to his student and the touch his lesson with more patience. The village was sitting quietly in the class like a student. उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट हमारा पांचवा, how did French feeling about M. Hamel and the school change। तो इसका आंसर है, when French heard that the according to the order of Berlin it was the last lesson of French teach by M. Hamel, he felt a sharp pain to think that he had wasted his time for not learning French sincerely. He considered now his book as his friend. He suddenly developed a strange fascination for his language and school. He had sympathy and the respect for the M. Hamel he forget all about the previous behavior and the nature of M. Hamel. He also regret for not standing the school properly. उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट है हमारा छठवां, तो ये वाई डिड फ्रेंड्स नॉट वांट टू गो टू स्कूल दैट डे। तो आंसर क्या है, फ्रेंड्स डिड नॉट वांट टू गो टू स्कूल दैट डे बिकॉज ही हैड नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड हिज लेसन ऑन पार्टिसिपल्स। नेक्स्ट है हमारा सेवंथ, what tempted friends to stay away from school। तो इसका आंसर है, on one hand friends had not prepared his lesson so he feared a scold at the school. On the other hand, the warm bright weather, the chirping of bird and the sight of the marching Parisian soldier tempted his to stay away from school। उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट है आठवां, तो आठवां हमारा, what was unusual about M. Hamel's dress on his last day in the school। तो इसका आंसर है, on his last day in the school M. Hamel was wearing a beautiful green coat and a little black embroidered silk cap which was unusual because he wore such type of the clothes only on any special occasion। उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट है नाइन्थ, why the order from the Berlins is called a thunderclap by the French। तो इसका आंसर है, the order from the Berlin is the called a thunderclap by the French because it was the shocking for him when he know that the study of the French language had been the prohibited in the school for the Alaska and Laryngeans। 10वां हमारा, why were the blazers sitting in the classroom। तो इसका आंसर है, the blazer were sitting in classroom to show their affection for their French language and M. Hamel। उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट 11वां, तो ये है, who did M. Hamel blame for the student poor performance in study। ये for the student poor performance in study M. Hamel blamed their parents and he himself also। 12वां, how did M. Hamel praise the French language। तो इसका आंसर है, M. Hamel praised the French language by the saying that French was the most beautiful language in the world. It was clearest and most logical language। Next 13, what words M. Hamel write on the blackboard before leaving the last class, what did they means। तो इसका आंसर है, before leaving the last class M. Hamel wrote vive la France on the blackboard। This word means long live France। Next 14, what was the fear in the little Fran's mind when he started for the school in the morning। तो इसका आंसर है, little Franz feared from his teacher M. Hamel। The fear in his mind was that M. Hamel will scold him for late coming and not preparing the lesson on participles। नेक्स्ट हमारा 15, तो ये, what did Franz see while he was going to school। तो इसका आंसर है, while he was going to school Franz saw a big crowd in front of the bulletin board and all of them were sad and serious। 16 है, why was Franz not called for the reaching the school late that day। इसका आंसर है, Franz was not called that day because it was the last day of M. Hamel and school and he was very sad and sentimental about it। नेक्स्ट हमारा 17, तो ये, how did M. Hamel dress himself on his last day at school। तो M. Hamel had but put on his occasional clothes on his last day in the school। He was wearing a beautiful green coat, frilled shirt and the little black embroidered silk cap। इसके बाद में लास्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा इसका 18, what inform did M. Hamel give to his student in his last lesson। तो आंसर है, M. Hamel informed the student that it was their last French lesson and from tomorrow a new teacher with new teach your German। नेक्स्ट है हमारा अगला चैप्टर द लॉस्ट स्प्रिंग, जिसका पहला है, what does the writer mean when she say Said is no longer his own master। तो इसका आंसर है, the writer Anis Jung say that Sahib was a carefree boy when he was a rag picker, but on the tea stall he was bounded to follow the owner's order. There he could not do as per his desire. Therefore she say Sahib is no longer his own master। उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट है सेकंड, तो सेकंड है हाउ इज मुकेश डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द अदर बेंगल मेकर्स ऑफ द फिरोजाबाद। तो आंसर है Mukesh was different from other Bengal makers because he had a dream to become a motor mechanic and the drive car wears the other levers only the throw about the Bengal and followed the traditional of family. Third है what does the little lost spring convey? तो आंसर है the little lost spring convey the idea to put an end to children explosion and the let all children enjoy their day of the spring and joy. Fourth है who is Mukesh, what is his dream? तो Mukesh is the son of the poor Bengal maker, his dream is to be a motor mechanic. Next है पांचवा, तो is Sahib happy working at the tea stall, why or why not? तो no, he is not happy working at the tea stall because he has lost his freedom, he is not the owner but a servant. इसके बाद में नेक्स्ट है छठवां, तो ये मेंशन एनी टू प्रॉब्लम फेस बाय द बेंगल सेलर। तो इसका दे आर फेस द फॉलोइंग प्रॉब्लम। तो फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम क्या है, दे हैड टू वर्क इन द डाइडली सेल्स विदाउट एयर एंड द लाइट इन द हाई टेम्परेचर ऑफ द फर्नेस। सेकेंड है इसका द डस्ट पार्टिकल फ्रॉम द बेंगल इंजर्ड देयर आई, मैनी वर्कर हैड लॉस्ट देयर आई साइट बिफोर दे बिकम अडल्ट। उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट है सातवां, तो ये व्हाई डिड साहिब्स पेरेंट्स लीव ढाका एंड द माइग्रेट टू इंडिया। तो आंसर है साहिब पेरेंट्स लेफ्ट ढाका एंड माइग्रेट टू इंडिया बिकॉज मैनी स्टॉर्म destroy their field and the homes in Dhaka. His parents also want to move toward a big city survive. आठवां है what is Mukesh dream, do you think he will be able to fulfill his dream, why or why not? तो Mukesh dream is to learn to drive a car and become a motor mechanic. Yes, it is possible for Mukesh to achieve his dream through hard work and the determination. नाइन्थ है व्हाट डज साहिब लुक फॉर द गार्बेज डंप। तो आंसर है साहिब लुक फॉर द रूपी और गोल्ड इन द गार्बेज डंप। टेंथ है व्हाई वाज साहिब अनहैप्पी व्हाइल द वर्किंग एट द टी स्टॉल। तो आंसर है he was unhappy because he feel that he has lost his independency, he is no longer in the command of himself, he feel like a slaves. उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर है हमारा डीप वाटर, जिसका पहला क्वेश्चन है हमारा व्हाट इज द misadventure that the William Douglas speak about। तो आंसर है Douglas began to learn swimming to the YMCA in the age of 11. One day he was sitting on the edge of the pool. A strong young man came there, pick up and the Douglas and throw into the deepest part of the pool. This is the misadventure that the William Douglas speak about। उसके बाद में सेकंड क्वेश्चन है हमारा what were the series of the emotion and the fear that Douglas experienced when he was thrown into the pool, what pain did he make to come to the surface। तो इसका आंसर है when he was thrown into the deepest part of the pool he was frightened but not panic, he plunged to his forcefully on the bottom of the pool by his legs so that he could come the surface of the pool. He succeed in his plan and the coming up slowly to the surface। नेक्स्ट है उसके बाद में थर्ड क्वेश्चन हाउ डिड दिस एक्सपीरियंस अफेक्ट हिम। तो ये द एक्सपीरियंस अफेक्ट हिम बैडली, द फियर ऑफ वाटर हेल्ड हिम द फाइनली इन इट्स ग्रिप आफ्टर द इंसिडेंट ही नेवर वेंट टू द पूल। चौथा है व्हाई वाज डगलस डिटरमाइंड टू गेट ओवर हिज फियर ऑफ वाटर। तो आंसर है डगलस वाज द डिटरमाइंड टू गेट ओवर हिज फियर ऑफ वाटर बिकॉज ही वाज फाउंड ऑफ द फिशिंग एंड द स्विमिंग, ही लुक द हेल्प ऑफ द इंस्ट्रक्टर। नेक्स्ट है हमारा फिफ्थ, पांचवा क्वेश्चन है हाउ डिड द इंस्ट्रक्टर बुल स्विमर्स आउट ऑफ डगलस। तो इसका आंसर है द इंस्ट्रक्टर मेड अ प्रॉपर एंड द स्पेशल अरेंजमेंट फॉर द डगलस, he put a belt around the Douglas and attached a rope from the belt which was the running by the pulley. Douglas was the confident that he would not drown, therefore he practiced in the pool hours and hours. The instructor taught him about exhale and inhale. In this way, after a long practice, the instructor built a swimmer out of Douglas. Next is 6. How did Douglas make sure that he conquered the old terror। तो इसका आंसर है हमारा डगलस हैड लर्न स्विमिंग वेल बट ही वांटेड टू रेस्ट हिमसेल्फ दैट ही हैड लॉस्ट हिज फियर ऑफ वाटर ही वेंट टू वार्म लेक dive and the swim across to the other shore and the come back again comfortably. Now he was sure that he conquered the old terror shift. इसके बाद में नेक्स्ट है सेवंथ, तो सातवां है what sort of the terror seized the Douglas as he want shone the water with a yellow glow. How could he feel that he will still alive? तो इसका आंसर है as Douglas went down to the water with a yellow glow he read the terror seized him. It was the terror that was the neither controlled nor experience. He felt the prayers underwater shift and the ride with fear. He heart beat and the troubling of mind made him feel that he was still alive. Next है eighth, तो ये why did the Williams Douglas develop ever sold to the water when he was the 3 or 4 year old? तो इसका आंसर है when Douglas was 3 or 4 year old he went to the California beach with his father and they had been knocked down by the waves. The waves swept over him and was the buried under them. The overpowering force of water fear him and the develop aversion of water. नाइन्थ है हमारा इसका, तो ये है what Miss Advanter with the William Douglas experience at the YMCA pool. तो इसका आंसर आएगा one day Douglas was the thrown into the deep water into the pool where he was the sitting silently and the lonely. He was the thrown by the big bad boy. Douglas went down into the water 3 times but the failed to come out from the water. This misadventure made the Douglas fearful from water. Next है 10th, तो ये why did Douglas go to lake Wentworth in New Hampshire? तो इसका आंसर है he went to lake Wentworth in the New Hampshire to the test whether he still had any fear of the water. He also wanted to try out his swimming skills. 11th है which factor led the Douglas to the decide in the favor of YMCA pool? इसका आंसर है Douglas want to overcome his childhood fear of water, so he decided to learn swimming but on the safe place. The Yakima River was the treacherous and had the drawn many. Therefore, he decided to go to YMCA and the swimming pool to learn swimming because it was safe. Next 12. So, what did Douglas learn from the experience at the YMCA pool? तो आंसर है the experience at the YMCA pool had a deep meaning for the Douglas. After getting rid of his fear of water, Douglas realized that the facing the fear was important. नेक्स्ट चैप्टर है हमारा द रेट ट्रैप. तो पहला क्वेश्चन है फ्रॉम वेयर डिड द पैडलर गेट द आइडिया ऑफ द वर्ल्ड बीइंग अ रेट ट्रैप? तो आंसर है द पैडलर गॉट द आइडिया ऑफ द वर्ल्ड बीइंग अ रेट ट्रैप फ्रॉम हिज इनर कंसियंस when he was amazing about the rat trap. Second है why was the assumed by this idea? तो आंसर है he was assumed by this idea because he thought that the world with all its rich and the joy, food and the shelter was the like a rat trap to the tempt people. Third है did the peddler expect the kind of the hospitality which he received from the crofter? तो आंसर है no, he did not expect such type of the hospitality that he received from the crofter. He was thinking that he would not get shelter. Fourth है why was the crofter so talkative and the friendly with the peddler? तो आंसर है the crofter was all alone. He wanted someone for his company. He was very happy to get the company of the peddler. Therefore he was so talkative and the friendly with him. Fifth है why did he saw the thirsty crooner and the peddler? तो इसका आंसर है he saw the 30 crooner to the peddler to test the tempt of his guest. Next is 6. Did the peddler respect the confidence response in him by the crofter? तो आंसर है no, the peddler did not respect of his confidence and they stole the money. Seventh है what made the peddler think that he had indeed fallen into rat trap? तो आंसर है after stealing the crooner the peddler chose the way of the forest since it was very dense forest and the night, so he lost his way and the walking helplessly in the forest. Then he thought that he had fallen into a rat trap. आठवां है Why did the iron master speak kindly to the peddler and invite him home? तो आंसर है the iron master saw the peddler in the dim light. He could not see his face clearly and the thought that he was an old regimental comrade. Therefore he spoke kindly to the peddler and invite him home. Ninth है why did the peddler deny his the invitation? The answer is the peddler had stole 30 kroner from the cottages of the crofter. He thought that the going to the iron master's house would be like the throwing himself voluntarily into the lion's den. Therefore, he declined the invitation. Next, 10th, what caused the peddler to the accept Idla Williamson's invitation? तो आंसर है Idla Williamson's invited the peddler on the Christmas occasion politely. How the friendly and the polite manner made the peddler accept his invitation. 11th है what doubt did the Adla have about the peddler? तो आंसर है when Adla meet the peddler he was the frightened. She also doubt that the peddler had stolen something or had the escaped from the prison. His the appearance and the behavior doubt her. 12 है when did the iron master realize his mistake? तो आंसर है when the iron master saw the peddler in the bright daylight he knew that the peddler was not his the regimental comrade. Then they realize his mistake. Next है 13 what did the peddler say in his defense when the iron master had the mistaken him for someone else? तो आंसर है in his defense the peddler said that he never wanted to harm anybody. He only want to get the shelter for night. Therefore he had refused to accept the iron master's invitation. 14 है why did Adla still entertain the peddler even after knowing the truth about him? तो आंसर है Adla had the pity for the poor condition of the peddler. She wanted to the provide food and the cloth to him because he was hungry and his cloth were the torn. Therefore she entertained him. Next 15 why was the Adla happy to see the gift left by the peddler? तो आंसर है when Adla opened the packet and the read the letter she realized that the peddler was not the thief because he had put all the 30 kroner in the rat trap and requested to return it to the real owner. Therefore she was happy to see the gift left by the peddler. Next है 16 और लास्ट है इसका क्वेश्चन why did the peddler sign himself as the captain von Stabber? तो आंसर है when the peddler meet the iron master he accepted the peddler as his old Cambridge captain Van Stable. The peddler was the treated as the captain after truth to the therefore he the sign himself as the captain Van Stable. उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट है हमारा तो ये है हमारा इंडिगो. तो इसका पहला है हमारा why did the servant thinking Gandhi to be another peasant? तो आंसर है गांधी जी went to meet Rajendra Prasad with the Rajkumar Shukla in a simple customers. The servant knew very well about the Rajkumar Shukla since Gandhi ji was with him. Therefore they thought Gandhi ji to be the another peasant. Second है what did the British landlord want to the plebeians to pay a rent? तो आंसर है the British landlord want to the peasant to pay indigo as the rent because Germany had the developed synthetic indigo and the British landlord want money as the compensation for being the release from the 15% arrangement. They were the interested for the systematic indigo developed by the Germany. Next 13 what would be the impact of the synthetic indigo on the price of the natural indigo? तो आंसर है since the synthetic indigo was the cheapest than the natural indigo therefore the price of the natural indigo was sure to the go down considerably. Next fourth why did Gandhi ji agree to the settlement of the 25% refuse to the farmers? तो आंसर है गांधी जी agree to the settlement of 25% refuse to the farmer because he want to break the deadlock on the percentage of the refuse between the landlord and the peasants. Fifth है how did this episode change the plight of the peasant? तो आंसर है after the episode the peasant were served the court by the spending money and time. Indigo sharecrop disappear. The British landlord were the complaint to leave the estate. That the peasant received the money they did paid to the landlord as the compensation. They were happy and the pros pleasure. 6 है, how was Gandhi able to the influence layers? तो आंसर है, after the fear thing about the sharecroppers in the Muzaffarpur by the layers, Gandhiji asked them what they would do if he was sent to jail. They said that they would go home. Gandhiji was the disappointed from their answer. The Gandhiji asked them about the injustice to the sharecropper. The lawyers left Ashmat. They thought that the going home would be the shameful decision. They told Gandhiji that they were ready to follow him into jail. Thus it was the influence to Gandhiji. Next है 7th. तो ये why did Gandhiji consider the Champaran episode to be the turning point in his life? तो आंसर है, the Champaran episode was the first in the stance of the victory of the civil disobedience in the modern India. Gandhiji realized that the civil disobedience could go a long way in the freedom struggle of India. Therefore, it was the considered to be a turning point in Gandhiji's life. 8वां है, why did Gandhiji child the layers of the Muzaffarpur? तो इसका आंसर है, Gandhiji chilled the layers for the collection bit free from the poor sharecropper. He thought that the taking such the case to be the court did the little good to the crush and the fear strict peasant. उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट हमारा पोएट पैनकेक्स. तो पहला why is the pancake released to the Gemini studio? तो आंसर है, pancake was the popular bread of the makeup and the material. This brand was the most preferred by the actors and the actress of the Gemini studio. Therefore the P-cakes is the directly related to this studio. उसके बाद में सेकंड हमारा what does the pancakes refer to? तो आंसर है, pancake refer to the well known brand of the makeup material. थर्ड हमारा what work did the office boy do in the Gemini studio? तो इसका आंसर है, the office boy was the doing makeup of those actors who play a crowd. He joining the studio too because an actor, screenwriter, director or the lyricist. He was the disappointed because he felt that his talent was going to waste. उसके बाद में चौथा है, who was Subbu's principal? तो आंसर है, मिस्टर S.S. Varshan was the Subbu's principal. पांचवा है, who was the English visitor to the studio? तो आंसर आएगा, Stephen Spender was the English visitor to the Gemini studio. छठवां हमारा, who was the boss of the Gemini studio? तो इसका आंसर आएगा, मिस्टर S.S. Varshan was the boss of Gemini studio. उसके बाद में अगला हमारा सातवां, तो ये है, how was the makeup of the crowd done? तो आंसर है, mixing his the paint in the gent vessels and the slapping it on the crowd players. The office boy applied makeup to the crowd. उसके बाद में अगला है आठवां, तो ये है, who was the Subbu? तो आंसर आएगा, Subbu was the Brahmin. He was a resourceful man with the loyal that set him apart. नाइन्थ है, where was the Gemini studio located? तो आंसर है, Gemini studio was the located in चेन्नई. उसके बाद में अगला हमारा 10वां, तो ये है, what did the story department of the studio comprise of? तो आंसर है, the poet and the writer were the member of the story departmental. This department had the layers who was the official member and the was known as the legal advisor, but the everybody referenced him as the illegal advisor because he had lack common sense. Next 11, तो ये what was the general dress in that the Gemini studio? तो इसका आंसर है, in Gemini studio most of the member were the khadi because they were the followers of Gandhiji. सेकंड है, who was the poet that the visit the Gemini studio? तो आंसर है, an English poet named the Stephen Spender visited the Gemini studio. 13 है, what was the special talent that the Subbu possessed? तो आंसर है, Subbu was the man of the versatile ability. He was the master of all the art related to him, making the ranging from the story writing, the poet, and the characterization. He was the expert in the various aspects of the film making. Next 14. Did the people at the Gemini studio have any particular political affiliance? तो इसका आंसर आएगा हमारा 14 का, नो द पीपल एट द जेमिनी स्टूडियो हैड नो एनी पर्टिकुलर पॉलिटिकल एफ्लुएंस. नेक्स्ट 15. व्हाट डज द गॉड दैट द फेल्ड रेफर टू? तो आंसर है द गॉड दैट फेल्ड इज द कलेक्शन ऑफ द 6 इजी बाय द 6 डिफरेंट राइटर्स. उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट है हमारा द इंटरव्यू. तो इसका पहला है हमारा हाउ डज VS Naipaul कमेंट ऑन द इंटरव्यू? तो आंसर है ऑन इंटरव्यू VS Naipaul comment that the some people are prudent by the interviewer and lost a part of the themselves. Second है what is the belief in the some primitive culture about the being the photograph? तो इसका आंसर है they believe that if someone take a photographic portrait he is the ceiling that the person's sold. Next third, what does the Coraline write in her diary on the 14 October 1892? तो आंसर है on 14 October 1892 Coraline write in her diary that the reporter from the Boston destroyed their whole day. उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट है फोर्थ, what are the interests? तो आंसर है on a university professor ECO attend the academic conference all week where there he got much more time to the write in the empty space. He turned them the empty space as the interstices. उसके बाद में पांचवा है हाउ मेनी कॉपीज ऑफ द नोबल द नेम ऑफ द रोज हैव बीन सोल्ड? तो आंसर है देयर आर मोर देन 10 मिलियन कॉपीज ऑफ द नोबल द नेम ऑफ द रोज हैव बीन सोल्ड. 6 है व्हाट इज द सेमियोटिक? तो आंसर है सेमियोटिक इज द स्टडी ऑफ द साइंस एंड द साइन प्रोसेस फ्रॉम द cultural representation to the language to the warning sign the brand and the image. सातवां है who has written the novel the name of the rose? तो आंसर है an Italian author Umberto Eco has the written the novel the name of the rose. उसके बाद में अगला है आठवां, तो ये हमारा how does the some celebrities despise the interview? तो आंसर है they despise being the interviewer because they consider it has an unwanted intrusion into their lives. Ninth है give the name of the two celebrities whom H.G. Wells interviewer? तो आंसर है VS Naipaul और दूसरा है रुडयार्ड किपलिंग. उसके बाद में अगला है हमारा 10वां क्वेश्चन, तो ये why was the Roald Barthes frustrated? तो इसका आंसर है रोनाल्ड ब्रदर was and the essayist he remained frustrated throughout his life. He had the strong desire to do some the creative writing on day or the other, but he died before he could do so. Next 11th, how does Eco find time to the write so much? तो आंसर है Eco never waste his time. He say that there are the lot of empty space in our lives. He use those the empty time to write so much. उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट 12, तो ये है who were the celebrities that the dislike interviewer? तो इसका आंसर आएगा VS Naipaul, रुडयार्ड किपलिंग, लुइस द कैरोल etc. are the celebrities that the dislike interview. Next 13, what do the celebrities thinks about the interviews? तो आंसर है they believe that the interview undoubtedly interviewer in their private lives they regret themselves as the victim of the interviewer. Next 14, what was the believed in the primitive culture? तो आंसर आएगा सब primitive culture believe that the photographing a person in no less than the stealing his her soul out of the body and the rendering him incomplete and the slighted. Next 15, therefore how many copies Umberto Eco was given advance? तो इसका आंसर है he was giving an advance for the 3000 copies but in the end it sold 2 or the 3 million in the VS. Next 16, what do you understand by the thumbprint on his windpipe? तो आंसर है according to me thumbprint on his the windpipe meaning the feeling of suffocation. Next 17, what are the some of the positive view on the interviewer? तो आंसर है the following views are the पॉजिटिव व्यू ऑन द इंटरव्यूअर। एक है इट इज द सोर्स ऑफ ट्रूथ, सेकंड है इट इज एन आर्ट, और थर्ड है इट इज द बेस्ट मेडिसिन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन। 18 है हाउ डज द डेनिस ब्रेन एक्सप्रेस अबाउट द इंटरव्यू? तो आंसर है अकॉर्डिंग टू डेनिस ब्रेन एंड इंटरव्यू गिव अस द मोस्ट क्लियर इंप्रेशन ऑफ द पीपल ऑफ द अवर टाइम। नेक्स्ट 19 what did the English novelist and the academic David Lloyd comment about the Umberto Eco? तो आंसर है once the English novelist and the academic David Lloyd comment about the Umberto Eco, I cannot understand how one man can do all the things that the Eco does. Next हमारा 20 do you think the Umberto Eco like the being the interviewed giving the reason for your opinion? तो आंसर है we think that the Umberto like being the interviewer because after reading him the interview we come to know that during his the interviewer he honest, he enjoy in the giving the answer, he is not the irritate, he is the polite and the giving answer of all the question calm whether he like them or not, he the explain his the answer clearly and to the point. उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट हमारा 21 तो है व्हाट टाइप ऑफ द नॉवेल्स इज द नेम ऑफ द रोज? तो आंसर है द नेम ऑफ द रोज इज द हिस्टोरिकल मर्डर मिस्ट्री नोवेल। उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट हमारा 22 तो है व्हाट डिड द रुडयार्ड किपलिंग से अबाउट इंटरव्यूज? तो आंसर है अबाउट इंटरव्यू रुडयार्ड किपलिंग सेड इट इज द इमोरल एंड द क्रिमिनल एक्टिविटी टू द इन्वेड इनटू अ पर्सन्स पर्सनल लाइफ। नेक्स्ट 23 तो ये what puzzles the journalist and the publisher? The journalist and the publisher are the puzzled when the something unexpected happen. उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट हमारा 24 तो ये है why Eco was the popular? तो इसका आंसर आएगा हमारा Umberto Eco was the famous for his thought on the semiotic और interruption of the writing and the management of time। 25th है why did the Kipling dislike being the interview? तो आंसर है he disliked being the interviewer as he said that it is the immoral or crime covered or wild। उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर है हमारा गोइंग प्लेस तो इसका आंसर है हमारा फर्स्ट where was it the most likely that the two girls would find work after the school? तो आंसर है after school most likely they would find the work in the biscuit factory। सेकेंड है what were the option that the Sophia was the dreaming of? तो आंसर है having a boutiques in the city of the becoming a manager or a fashion designer or an actor, where the option that the Sophia was the dreaming of Jensen always the discourage her because Sophia has neither money or nor skill। Next third why did Sophia Bringle when the Guelph told her the father that said had meet the Danny case? तो इसका आंसर है she Bringles because she know that her father would not believe it, he scold her for it। Next fourth did Sophia's father believe in her story of meeting Danny case? तो आंसर है no, her father didn't believe her story। पांचवा है which country did Danny case play for? तो आंसर है he play for Ireland। सिक्स है why did Sophia want the Jenny to know about her story with the Danny? तो इसका आंसर है Sophia did not want to Janice to know about it because she thought that the Janice would not be able to keep the screen and thus she would not tell everybody। सेवेंथ है did Sophia meet Danny case? तो आंसर है not, she didn't meet him। एट्थ है which was the only occasion when she got to see the Dania case in the person? तो आंसर है she got to see the Danny case in the person in the stadium during the football game। उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट है नाइन्थ तो नाइन्थ है why did the Sophia long for her brother's affection? तो आंसर है Sophia like her the brother more than any other person in the world, she wanted to be the part of her brother's world, therefore she the long for his affection। 10वां है who was the Danny case, how was the Edward by the Sophia family? तो आंसर है Danny case was the young Irish football player Sophia and the members of her family were the great fan of his talent. Sophia even started to dreaming to have a date with him. उसके बाद में अगला है हमारा 11th. तो why did Sophia choose to walk by the canal? What did she do there? तो आंसर है सोफिया चूज टू वॉक बाय द कैनल बिकॉज दैट वाज द मोस्ट सुटेबल प्लेस for her, which was for away from the noise and the crowd of the city. It was the place where she had often the play when she was a child. 12 में why did the Sophia not want Janice to know about her meeting with the Danny case? तो आंसर है Sophia didn't want Janice to know about it because she thought that Janice would not be able to keep the secret and we would tell everybody. Next 13. What did Sophia want to keep as the secret from her father and why? तो Sophia want to keep her meeting with the Casey and the secret from her because she feared that if he would know the secret, he would murder her. Next 14. Why is Sophia attracted toward the Danny case? तो आंसर है Sophia was the attract toward the Danny case because he was the famous football player and the popular local celebrity. She had the tendency to the imagine unrealized schooner. Next 15. Why is the Jenny so the critical of the Schofield? तो आंसर है Jensik was more the practical and the realistic than the Schofield. She the understood that the dream that the Sophia had the required a lot of money and were not achieved. Therefore, she was so the critical of the Sophia. Next 16. तो ये है व्हाट इज द रॉन्ग विद द जेनिस आउटलुक ऑफ लाइफ? तो आंसर है जेनसिक हैड नो एम एंड द एस्पिरेशन एंड हैड रिस्ट्रिक्ट हरसेल्फ टू हर द वर्किंग class status. This is the so that she had a very restricted and the pessimistic outlook of life. नेक्स्ट है शॉर्ट आंसर में फ्लेमिंगो पोएट का. तो पहला हमारा माई मदर एट 66. तो इसका हो जाएगा हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज द काइंड ऑफ द पेन एंड द एज दैट द पोएट फील? तो आंसर है द सेपरेशन फ्रॉम द मदर एंड द फियर ऑफ लूज ऑफ हर मदर आर द पेन एंड द एज दैट द पोएट्स फील. उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट है हमारा सेकंड व्हाई आर द यंग ट्रीज डिस्क्राइब एज द स्प्रिंटिंग? तो आंसर है दे आर द डिस्क्राइब एज द स्प्रिंटिंग बिकॉज द पोएट्स वॉच द ट्रीज फ्रॉम द रनिंग कार एंड द फील दैट दे आर द रनिंग फास्ट. थर्ड है व्हाई हैज द पोएट ब्रॉट इन द इमेज ऑफ द मैरिड चिल्ड्रन स्प्लिंग आउट देयर होम? तो आंसर है द पोएटिस्ट हैज द ब्रॉट देम एज द स्प्लिंग out of their home because when she look outside from the window of car the children look gay and the happy. They are the moving out of their homes in large numbers. उसके बाद में अगला है हमारा फोर्थ. तो ये है why has the mother been the compared to the late winter's moon? तो आंसर है the mothers of the poetess has the lost the shine and the strength of her youth like the winter moons that the look dim when the sickly in the misty sky. Therefore the mother has been the comforts to the late winter's moon. Next है फिफ्थ. तो ये पांचवा है what do you the parting word of the poet and the her smile silently? तो इसका आंसर है the parting word seeing you soon amma give and the assurance of the life of the old lady. Similarly have the smile help her to the overcome the edge and fear. Next is 6. What were the poets feeling at the airport? How did she did them? तो आंसर है the poet Kamala Das feels feared and the edge of the leaving her old mother alone. She hides her feeling by the giving a long and the cheerful smile to the her mother as the bites her earned. Next हमारा 7th. How does the poet try to put away the thought of her aging mother while the driving to the Kochi airport? तो आंसर है in order to put away the thought of her aging mother the poetess started looking out of the windows of the car at the young trees sprinting the married children spilling out of their homes. उसके बाद में अगला हमारा the keeping quiet. तो इसका पहला है फर्स्ट है हमारा इसका डू थिंक द पोएट advocate total inactivity and the death? तो आंसर है नो, द पोएट नेवर एडवोकेट्स फॉर देम. सेकेंड है व्हाट इज द सैडनेस दैट द पोएट रेफर्स टू इन द पोएम? तो आंसर है द पोएट रेफर टू द सैडनेस विच इज द रिलेटेड टू द ह्यूमंस keyless work and the moving toward his own run for them. Third है what the symbol from the nature does the poet invoke to say that there can be the life under the apparent stillness? तो इसका आंसर है the poet used to the earth as the symbol to the show that there can be life under the apparent stillness. He say that earth is the great teacher. We should learn a lesson from the earth that when the everything seems dead, the earth remains alive. उसके बाद में फोर्थ है how would keeping quiet affect the life in and around the sea? तो आंसर है keeping will help in the maintaining and the ecological balance and the give everyone some time to the introspective. नेक्स्ट है पांचवा, तो लाइफ इज द व्हाट इट इज अबाउट, हाउ इज द कीपिंग क्वाइट रिलेटेड टू लाइफ? तो आंसर है कीपिंग क्वाइट इज द रिलेटेड टू लाइफ बिकॉज इन द लाइफ वी नीड टू पॉज फॉर द मूवमेंट एंड द इंटरस्पेक्ट. उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट है हमारा सिक्स क्वेश्चन, तो छठवां है हमारा व्हाई डज वन ऑफ द फील एंड द सडन स्ट्रेंजर्स ऑफ द काउंटिंग टू द 12 एंड द कीपिंग क्वाइट? तो आंसर है ऑन द फीलिंग अ सडन स्ट्रेंज on the counting to the 12 and the keeping quiet because this is an exotic movement which build a sudden and the strange feeling of the universal brotherhood. Seventh है how will the keeping quiet protect our environment? तो आंसर है keeping quiet help to the develop sustainable healthy habits with which in the turn protect the environment. Thus we can the flush out all the negativity that harm the environment. उसके बाद में अगला है आठवां, तो ये what does the poet want us to tell? तो आंसर है the poet want us to keep quiet and the still and not move our arm and the legs too much in the poem keeping quiet. Ninth है what does the poet mean by the saying victory with no survivor? तो आंसर है victory with no survivor means the victory which come in the after sacrificing all the men who were fighting. Next है 10th, तो ये what are the different type of the wars mentions in the poem? तो आंसर है green wars, gas war and the fire war are the different type of the wars mentioned in poem. 11th है what is the Neruda attitude toward these wars? तो आंसर है toward these wars Neruda considered these wars destructive and the futile activity. उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट है हमारा थिंकिंग ऑफ ब्यूटी, तो इसका पहला है हमारा what pleasure does a beautiful things give us? तो आंसर है beautiful things give us immense pleasure. नेक्स्ट है सेकंड are the beautiful things worth the treasuring? तो आंसर है all beautiful things give us pleasure therefore they are the worth treasuring. थर्ड है what image does the poet use to describe the beautiful bounty of the earth? तो आंसर है he used the endless front end of the immoral drink the pouring into us from the heavens brings. उसके बाद में चौथा है why is the grandeurs associated with the mighty dead? तो आंसर है grandeurs is the associated with the mighty dead because they are the heroic act as the mighty deads are the preserved in their tales of the grandeur and the heroism. Next है fifth how long do we the experience things of beauty? तो इसका आंसर हमारा क्या हो जाएगा we experience things of the beauty for a few minutes. नेक्स्ट है सिक्स, तो ये लिस्ट द थिंग्स दैट द कॉज सफरिंग एंड द पेन, तो इसका आंसर है देयर आर द फॉलोइंग थिंग्स दैट द कॉज द सफरिंग एंड द पेन. फर्स्ट है डार्कनेस वे, दूसरा है हमारा डेथ ऑफ द नोबल नेचर, थर्ड है हमारा डिस्पेंडेंस और फोर्थ है हमारा मेलिक्स नेचर और लास्ट है हमारा ग्लूमीज डे. उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट है हमारा अ रोड साइड स्टैंड, तो इसका पहला है हमारा व्हाई डज द पोएट कॉल द कार सेल्फलेस, तो इसका आंसर है द पोएट कॉल्स द कार ऑनर्स सेल्फिश बिकॉज दे जस्ट पास बाय द विदाउट अ थ्रू आउट for the plight of the owners of the roadside stand. Second है, what was the plea of the folk who had put up the roadside stand? तो आंसर है, their plea was the faithfully for the sum of the customer to stop by and the buy some of their goods. इसके बाद में नेक्स्ट है थर्ड, तो तीसरा है, हैव यू इवन स्टॉप एट द रोड साइड स्टैंड, व्हाट हैव यू ऑब्जर्व देयर? तो आंसर है, यस आई हैव स्टॉप एट द रोड साइड स्टैंड during my travel. I saw my the rural people to the sell some the common things like the biscuits, pen or mussels, wafers etc. They were the very humble and the polite. इसके बाद में अगला हमारा फोर्थ, तो फोर्थ है, what is the childish longing that the poet refers to, why it is vain? तो आंसर है, the roadside people suffer from the childish longing. They want that the customers should stop there and the purchase their goods. They keep their windows open to the attract them, but all their effort go in the vain when the customers do not stay there. नेक्स्ट है पांचवा, तो फिफ्थ है हमारा, which lines tell us the about the insufferable pain that the poet feel at the thought of the plight of the rural poor? तो आंसर है, these lines are the sometime I feel the myself I can hardly bear the throe of the so much childish longing in the vain, the sadness that the lurks near the open windows there. Next is 6, what was the request made by the rural people who had put up the roadside stand? तो आंसर है, they required to the city dwellers to the stop and buy there of the wares so as to the enable them to the earn some extra money for the decent living. Next है 7th, तो सातवां है, what did the sign offer? तो इसका आंसर है, the sign N and S offer the direction. N stand for the north and S stand for the south, but they offer wrong message because they had planned in the wrong way. आठवां है, why did the farmer curse wealthy city people? तो इसका आंसर है, the farmer curse wealthy city people because they did not stay on their areas of the purchase some things. Next है 9th, तो 9th है, why has a new seed been put up at the roadside stand? तो इसका the new seeds has been the put up at the roadside stand because they wanted to the earn money from them. 10वां है, how did the good doers want to help the poor blaze people? तो आंसर है, they want to teach them the way that could the change their goods and healthy habits. उसके बाद में अगला 11th, तो ये है, what is the meant by the police traffic? तो आंसर है, police traffic mean the more wealthy or the posh individual from the city. 12 है, why was the roadside stand in the miserable condition? तो आंसर है, the roadside stand was the in a miserable condition because nobody paid attention to the effort of the country folk to make some money. The life of the country for folk, especially rural people, have not the progress at all as they merely earn to survive. उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट है 13, तो ये what did the country people complain? तो आंसर है, they complained that the city dwellers did not stop any by their bears so as to the enable them to earn some extra money for the decent living. नेक्स्ट है 14, तो ये what is the demand of the roadside stand? तो आंसर है, the people of the roadside stand demand some the money from the city dwellers to make their lives easy and the comfort. नेक्स्ट है 15, तो ये है what attitude does the police traffic show? तो आंसर है, the police traffic show the incentive attitude of the city man for the poor people. नेक्स्ट है 16, what is the sold by the roadside seller? तो आंसर है, the wild barrier wooden quads, the quads of the gallum, crock neck guard with the silver hard the lump etc. are the sold by the roadside. उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट है हमारा आंट जेनिफर्स टाइगर. तो पहला है, how do the denizens and the chavals add to the our understanding of the tiger's attitude? तो आंसर है, tigers are the inhabitant of the forest. They live far away from the human society, so they are the called the chavals. This is the so the majestic and the honorable attitude of the tiger. सेकंड है ऑफ व्हाट और ऑफ whom इज द आंट जेनिफर टैरिफ विद, तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा सी इज द टैरिफ विथ हर टैरिफ हैंड दैट विल टेल होल द स्टोरी ऑफ हर अनहैप्पी लाइफ आफ्टर हर डेथ। इसके बाद में नेक्स्ट है हमारा थर्ड, तो ये व्हाई आर द टाइगर कॉल्ड आंट जेनिफर्स टाइगर, तो आंसर है द टाइगर आर कॉल्ड आंट जेनिफर्स टाइगर बिकॉज दे हैव बीन क्रिएटेड बाय हर। नेक्स्ट है फोर्थ, तो ये व्हाट डज द वेडिंग बैंड स्टैंड फॉर, तो आंसर है वेडिंग बैंड स्टैंड फॉर द आंट जेनिफर्स अनहैप्पी मैरिज। नेक्स्ट है फिफ्थ, तो व्हाट इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ द फ्लूटरिंग, तो आंसर है आंट जेनिफर इज द वीविंग टाइगर इन द पैनल therefore her the hand are the fluttering through her wool, she is the finding the needles so hard to the pull because her hand are terrific। next है six, तो why are the tiger not afraid of man, तो इसका आंसर है the tiger are not afraid of men because they are the fearless and the gallant creature who are the undeterred by any obstacles। उसके बाद में नेक्स्ट है हमारा सेवंथ, तो ये हमारा व्हाट डज द टाइगर सिंबलाइज इन द पोएम, तो आंसर है इन द पोएम द टाइगर सिंबलाइज ब्रेवरी एंड फ्रीडम। आठवां है हमारा हाउ आर द आंट जेनिफर्स टाइगर डिस्क्राइब, तो ये द टाइगर आंट जेनिफर इज द एम्ब्रॉयडरिंग टाइगर बाय द आंट जेनिफर विद द हेल्प ऑफ द वूल एंड द नीडल्स ऑन द पीस ऑफ द क्लॉथ्स विच आर द सिंबल्स ऑफ द स्ट्रेंथ बोल्डनेस एंड द कॉन्फिडेंस। नेक्स्ट है नाइन्थ, तो ये व्हाट इज आंट जेनिफर डूइंग विथ हर वूल, तो इसका आंसर क्या है सी इज द वॉकिंग विथ हर द ivory needles on her wool, she is the busy knifing after the making the tiger with the massive ankle binding। और लास्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज द आंट जेनिफर स्टैंड ऑफ द माइंड, तो आंसर है आंट जेनिफर इज डिप्रेस, सी इज इन द स्टेट ऑफ टर्मिनल। तो ये हमारे 100 टाइप के आंसर थे जो हमारी एक बुक है उसके फ्लेमिंगो के, ठीक है। इसके बाद में नेक्स्ट हम लोग 100 टाइप के विस्टार्स के देखेंगे और लॉन्ग टाइप के क्वेश्चन देखेंगे, वो हम नेक्स्ट पार्ट में देखेंगे। अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कर लेना है, प्लेलिस्ट में जाकर के आपको ये वीडियोस जरूर देख लेनी है, क्वेश्चन बैंक सॉल्यूशन और परीक्षा बोर्ड सॉल्यूशन और आईएमपी क्वेश्चन 2022-23। और भी अगर आपको कोई वीडियो चाहिए हो तो आप हमें कमेंट करके बता सकते हो। मिलते हैं हम लोग अगली वीडियो में अगले सब्जेक्ट के साथ, तब तक के लिए थैंक यू, बाय, टेक केयर।